In this video, we are going to see the topic under for the differential calculus 1, which is radius of curvature and the problem. So previous video, we have seen about the radius of curvature and also we have done some few problems. So in this video, we are going to see the radius of curvature under for the polar form. Okay, sorry, Cartesian form. The previous video, we have seen already for the polar form. Now we are going to see for the Cartesian form. So the question is, find the radius of curvature of the curve x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy at the point of 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2 on it. So what is the question has been given? We need to find the radius of curvature, that is rho. Okay, and the curve has been given x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy and the point was mentioned 3a by 2, 3a by 2. Okay, so what is it meaning? We need to find it for your rho. So rho is equal to, what is it formula in Cartesian form? 1 plus y1 squared the whole power of 3 by 2 by y2. Okay, so this thing we are going to find it, that is y1 and y2, that means dy by dx and d squared y by dx square we need to find, and then you have to substitute to the rho to get your radius of curvature. Okay, and we need to replace x is equal to 3a by 2, y is equal to 3a by 2. So now you can see that the first thing, differentiation with respect to x of this equation. So what will happen? X cube will be 3x square plus y cube will be 3y square, but y differentiation we should do because of independent variable. What is that? It will come y1, that is nothing but dy by dx equal to, you can see right side, it is 3axy. Okay, so 3axy is nothing but x and y both is the variable, we have to do the product rule. So which is equal to 3a of x into dy by dx plus y into x differentiation will be 1. Okay, so what is a 3a of x into dy by dx plus y into 1. So now what is that? I'm going to make out, see here, the x term I'm going to write it together. So it is nothing but, see here, I have a 3x square to be taken to other side, this y dash to be taken to the left side. So what will happen from after this equation? I have 3y squared into dy by dx, and then I have minus 3ax into dy by dx. Okay, which is equal to, I have here 3ay, then minus of, I have 3x squared, right? We can take this 3x to the other side, it will be 3x squared. So from these two equation we can take out for 3. So what will happen? 3 of y squared minus ax I'll get into dy by dx, which is equal to, here we can take out 3 out. So it will be ay minus x squared. That's what is written here. 3 of y squared minus ax into dy by dx, and this is equal to 3 of ay minus x squared. So now what will happen from here? You can go with dy. What is that? Dy by dx alone you can keep here. 3 will get cancelled. This y squared minus ax will go to the other side. So what will happen? y1 is equal to ay minus x squared by y squared minus ax. Okay, we have found here y1. So what is the next step? Immediately we are going to substitute at a point 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2. So what will happen? y1 is equal to, what is that? You have equation a into y. So a into 3a by 2, it will become 3a squared by 2 minus of, what is that? I have x squared. So x squared is nothing but 3a by 2 the whole square, it will go 9a squared by 4. And similar here you have y squared minus ax. So what is that? Y squared is again 3a by 2, it will become 9a squared by 4, and then minus of, here again 3a into a, it will be 3a squared by 2. Okay, so you can do that. What will happen here? Take a LCM for 4. The numerator you will be having for 2 multiple, you will be having 6a squared minus 9a squared, okay, and by 4. And denominator also, what is that? You have 9a squared minus 3a squared by 4 you will get. So 4 will get cancelled. 6a squared minus 9a squared will be minus 3a squared, and by this will be 9 minus 3, right? So sorry, 9 minus 6, here also multiple by 6, no? So plus 3a squared you will get. So 3a squared will get cancelled. You will get for minus 1. Okay. So now we have found your y1. What we need to do, we have to find your y2, since the formula in terms of your y1 and y2. Okay. So what is that? Take the differentiation before substituting your x and y point we are supposed to take, because if you take that it will go 0. You are not supposed to take it. So take the differentiation d squared y by dx squared, which is equal to y2. Here I have u by v method. What is that formula? Denominator into differentiation of your numerator, v into du, y squared minus ax into du. Differentiation of your denominator will be 2, you have ay, right? So ay1 minus 2x, then minus of ay minus x squared, v into, you have to do for differentiation of your denominator, y squared will be 2y, again y1 it will come. Okay, then minus a by y squared minus ax the whole square by v squared as per the formula. Now you can substitute 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2. Since it is in lengthy process, I'm going to make it separately. Okay, only I can take y squared minus ax. What will happen? 9a squared by 4 minus 3a squared by 2, which is equal to, similar like here what we did. Take a LCM, then it will become 3a squared, and the next term a y1 minus 2x, it will go for direct substitution you can do, because here just to y1 will be, you know it is a minus 1, x will be, you can write it 3a by 2. Okay, 2 will get cancelled, a minus 3a will go for minus 4a, and again ay minus x squared also it is having 3a squared. Here you will have minus 3a squared by 4 because of x squared term. Okay, and the next one also it will be minus 3a minus a. So if you need, we can write it separately also. What is that? You have ay minus x squared. What is that? A of y, it is 3a by 2 minus of 9a squared by 4. See here, it will be taking that 3a squared by 2 minus 9a squared by 4. So take the LCM 4. It will be again, you will be having, instead of 3a squared, you will get for minus 3a squared. That's it. Okay. So now what is that? You can substitute that y2, 3a squared by 4 minus a minus 3a. Then minus of minus 3a squared by 4. Then minus 3a minus a by 3a squared by 4 the whole square. So what will happen? Just you can simplify that. What is that? Here minus 4a. 4 will get cancelled. So it has become a squared. 3a cube will come. A squared into a will be a cube. Then minus of, here also 4 will get cancelled. You have minus 3a cube. So you have totally, it is minus 6a cube you will get. That is what? Minus 6a cube. Here 3a squared, the whole squared will be 9a power 4 by 4 squared will be 16. That 16 will go to the numerator. You can write 16 minus 6a cube by 9a. Okay. From here you can cancel it. 6 and 9 will get cancelled. 3 and 2. So 3 2s are 3 2s are 6. So you can cancel. 16 into 2 will be minus 32. And then you will be having here 3a cube, one term will get cancelled. You will get for 3a. Okay. So you have minus 32 by 3a. Can substitute to the radius of curvature. What is that? Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square the whole power of 3 by 2 by y2. So what will happen? y1 is nothing but minus 1. The whole square will be plus 1. 1 plus 1 the whole power 3 by 2, which is equal to 2 root 2. See what I have done. It is 2 the whole power of 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay. So that you can write it 2 power of 1 into 2 power of 1 by 2. That was is written 2 root 2 into 3a. This from the denominator it has come. Okay. So minus 3 root 2a by 16. Again I can write it. The 16 will be 8 into 2 What is that? This 2 again I can write 8 into root 2 into root 2. So it will get cancelled from the numerator and denominator term. It will come to the denominator. What is that? Minus 3a by 8 root 2. Okay. So actually the radius of curvature should be the positive since it is for modulus of rho. So you can remove the minus. So the radius of curvature of the given curve is nothing but 3a by 8 root 2. Okay. So we'll go for the one more example. To find the radius of curvature of the curve y squared equal to 4a squared of 2a minus x by x, where the curve meets the x-axis. So this question is a little different. The curvature has been given for in terms of y, and where the curve meets the x-axis, that is nothing but the curve, the point will be meet in the x-axis means whatever the point will meet in x-axis, there y will be 0. Okay, so that's what is written. Then y is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0, the given equation you can substitute, you will get your, what is that, x value. So substitute that y 4a squared into 2a minus x is equal to 0, or you will get x is equal to 2a, because 4a squared will not be equal to 0. You can, that multiple you can remove that. Then 2a minus x is equal to 0. Then x will be 2a you will get. Okay. Hence 2a comma 0 is the point on the curve at which we have to find rho. Then the given equation we can put in the form y squared equal to 8a cube by x. Okay, just I am taken inside for 4a squared. That's all. 8a cube by x minus 4a square. Now what we can differentiate, what will be having 2y1 because of y square differentiation, which is equal to minus 8a cube by x squared, or y1 is equal to minus 4a cube by x squared into y. This 2 and 8 will get cancelled and simplification. You can replace 2a comma 0. The denominator is there in terms of 0. If denominator of 0, what will happen? It will go for infinity. So we can't able to fix this. If y1 will go for infinity, we can't find your radius of curvature. That cases we have to consider, instead of dy by dx, you can take dx by dy. So just you take it dx by dy, which is nothing but minus x squared y by 4a cube. Now you can substitute, your x1 will be a 0. So you can find your x2. Since you have taken for your dx by dy, the formula also will change. Instead of y1, you have to use your x1. Instead of y2, we are using for x2. Okay. So x2 is equal to d squared x by dy square, which is equal to differentiation. What is that? Product rule. Okay. 1 by 4a cube in minus, you can take out x squared into differentiation of y will be 1, because here y is your independent variable, plus y into 2x into x1. Okay. So because x1 is independent variable here, since we have taken it dx by dy. At 2a comma 0, you can substitute. What will happen? 2a comma 0 means this will be 2a, this will be 0, y will be a 0. So minus 4a, because 2a the whole square, minus 4a squared by 4a cube. So you will get minus 1 by a. Okay. So this is your x2. Now find your x1. We found already x1 and x2, and we are going to substitute to the radius of curvature. So rho is equal to 1 plus x1 square, the whole power of 3 by 2 by x2. So what is that? x1 is 0, x2 is minus 1 by a. You can 1 power anything will be a 1. So you will get for minus a. So the radius of curvature is here as a positive. So modulus of rho is equal to a. Okay. So that's all for the radius of curvature in Cartesian form. Okay. Thank you.